Hello everybody! Today I'm at Singapore's Adventure Cove Waterpark, located on Sentosa Island, and it's time for a lift tour. All of the lifts are Fujitec's. The lifts here are located in this sort of weird big rock set thing. I can't quite remember exactly what it was because it was a long time ago now, but it was in the middle of the water park. And now to the first lift. This lift goes from the first floor up to the second floor. Then there is a third floor called roof level above that, but this is staff only and is locked off.
And we have another Fujitec MRL. Now,
going down.
I'm not sure, but I think roof is staff only, considering though that it only says serving 1 and 2. So we'll just take it between 2 and 1.
Story 1.
And now to the other lift. This lift just goes between the two open public levels.
One of the last places I'd expect to find a lift is in a water park. Dewhurst. It's a Fujitec, I think, similar to the one I filmed just it was dark in here because half the lights don't work. Quite generic.
Going down.
It is an MRL though, so it says what floors it serves.
Story 1. Going up.
I love the way though that in Singapore they always say story 1 as opposed to level 1 or floor 1.
Story 2.
There is one more lift at Adventure Cove Waterpark in another different part of the water park, but sadly this bit of the water park was closed and the lift was turned off. So disappointing.
This is the last Fujitec lift here at ACW Adventure Cove Waterpark, Singapore, and as you can see it's not in use. It's not in use because this area is closed. But while we're here, you can see the gondola going overhead that goes back to the mainland Singapore from Sentosa Island where we are now. So you can see the gondola.